The difference between the Congress and BJP, one big difference has been Himanta Biswa Sarma. He has been running a massive marathon campaign and he is doing all the tricks that he used to do for Congress at one point of time. Do you regret losing Himanta Biswa Sarma to BJP?
See, let me tell you something very, very frankly, and that Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is definitely a very, very shrewd, a very active, a very a smart politician. So, but what his ideology, I think he's dreaming to be chief minister. I think he even sleeps dreaming in chief minister. He wakes up as chief minister and then again goes to sleep as chief minister. I think he was a person too much of a hurry. Chief minister, just because you want to be chief minister and you try and completely destroy the ecosystem around you to become the chief minister, has brought him to where he is. And the BJP has used him all over the country, not only in Northeast but all over the country with his skill sets, which his skill sets he definitely has, and has given him and have shown him the door. So
how do you say that? Means he might become the chief minister if BJP comes to power next?
That see, I'm not an astrologer. Number one, the BJP is not coming to power here, but as you're saying may or anything, he would never ever become a chief minister in the BJP government. That you can take in writing from me. That will not happen because the BJP wants a dummy chief minister. That's their ideology, that they want to run states like maybe Assam, maybe any other state, right from Delhi. They run the states from the Home Minister and the Prime Minister's office. That's their model of governance. They don't understand regionalism. They don't understand the sentiments of the people. They want somebody who's a remote control, a chamcha of theirs. That's what we've seen all over the country. I can name the 7 or 8 chief ministers they have all over the country who are running. Look at how the government of India is running. What happens in the cabinet meeting? Cabinet meeting lasts for 30 seconds. What the Prime Minister says, it's done. Nobody has the courage to even open their voice and put people's voice forward.
So if Himanta Biswa Sarma is unhappy in BJP because BJP doesn't make him the chief minister and he is willing to come back to Congress, is Congress ready to embrace him again?
See, I always feel that कभी कभार वो एक हिंदी में एक कहावत भी होती है कि कभी भूला चली जाता है तो वापस भी आ सकता है. So future I cannot predict. Future I cannot predict what can happen.
But is Congress willing to take him back? It's a hypothetical question. I'm just asking that if he is ready to come back, is Congress willing to take him back? Is there any principle stand, yes or no?
See, those things have to be decided not just by a person like me alone, General Secretary, that the party will have to decide. That's of course the leadership, the state leadership will have to try, the central leadership will have to decide. But definitely, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, for all what he's done to become a chief minister and has pleased his bosses of the BJP, definitely will never get nothing in the BJP. That is not going to happen.